Hey guys, so today I'll be teaching Warlock 2nd grade worksheet lesson 14. So it says pennies, nickels, and dime. Penny, 1 cent. Nickel, 5 cents. Dime is 10 cents. So now looking at number 1, the first image we see here looks like a dime. So you would write down 10 cents. For this is a dime, so it will cost 10 cents. Just like by looking at the photo, it will help us. So 10 cents. And then the next coin looks like we will have a nickel. So we would write down 5 cents. And the last one looks like and this one looks like another 5 cents. And this one looks like a penny. So you'd write down 1 cent. Oh, and another 10 cents here. And another 5 cents here. So adding all these up slowly, we get 36 because 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 5 is 25, 25 plus 5 is 30, 35 plus 5, 30 plus 5 equals 35, and 35 plus 1 equals 36. So our answer will be 36 cents. And next for question number 2, we have a nickel, so we would write down 5 cents. And the rest of these, it looks like they're pennies. So let's just write down 1 for the rest. And these two look different, but they're the same. It's just flipped, as we could see here in this photo. This is the front, and this is the back. Or this is the back, and this is the front. It doesn't really matter. Just memorize, or the penny is the smallest, the nickel is bigger than the dime, and the dime is like about the same size as the penny. So adding this all up, we could first solve that there are 5 pennies, so 5 plus 5 equals 10 cents. Moving on to the next page. Pennies, nickels, and dime continued. Let's answer question number 4. There now is 1, 2, 3, 4 nickels. So we could just write down 4. But if it helps you to visualize it more, you could write down that too. Or you could write down there is 4 nickels. But just to visualize, a nickel is 5 cents. So we write down 5 4 times. And then we have another nickel, so we write down 5 cents. Don't get the nickel and the dime confused. Remember, the dime and the nickel are different sizes. Since the dime is 10 cents, it would make sense that it would be the bigger coin, but it's not. The dime is actually the smaller coin from the nickel. And now the different colored looking coin would be the penny. The brown looking colored coin would be 1 cent. So there are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 25 plus 1 equals 26. So we will have 26 cents. Ordering time review. Put in order from shortest to longest. Example, 25 months, 1 year, 53 weeks. So 1 year would be the shortest. Then 53 weeks, then 25 months would be the longest. So for number 1, we know that 11 months is the shortest. And we need to put it in from longest to shortest. 11 months. Next, 1 year. then 57 weeks. Weeks, just like that. And a year is larger than 11 months or longer than 11 months because a year is 12 months. Okay, moving on to the next page, or the last page. Word problems. Carl has 2 nickels, 5 pennies, and 1 dime. How many cents does he have? So we know that a nickel costs 5 cents, so we would write down 5 plus 5 first. And we know that 1 penny is 1 cent. Make sure you write down cents and not dollars, because cents make up dollars. Dollars do not make up cents. Cents are smaller. So let's write that down at the top. Cents are smaller than dollars. Next we have 1 dime. So that'll be only 10 cents. So we could write down 1 5 times, but that's going to be harder to add. So we would rather write down 1. We could rather count 1 5 times. So 5 pennies, which cost 1 cent, will just be 5 cents. And then add 1 dime, and that'll equal 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, and 15 plus 5 will be 25. So he has 25 cents. Okay, that's it for today.